Good morning, guys. What's up? How have you all been? And how did you wake up this morning? I woke up looking like this. In fact, let me show you this little clip I took on my phone. This was taken just a few minutes after waking up. So, yeah, please pardon my sleepy, droopy eyes. And here is a little clip that I took yesterday. How I woke up looking yesterday morning. So, yes, there's definitely quite a change in how my face is looking. And what caused this change? Well, just keep watching this video to find out. So guys, I recently got my hands on the vitamin C range of Mamaearth and I decided to do a little experiment to see its effects on my skin. So last night, I did not follow any skincare routine and this is how I woke up looking. Last night, I actually followed a proper skincare routine and this is how I woke up looking this morning. So what I'm trying to tell you here, guys, is that if you see a little comparison of my skin, it's just one day apart, right? But the difference is visible. Night skincare routine is so important because at night when you're sleeping, your jaws are not moving, you're not frowning, there are no facial expressions, your whole body is resting. This is when the skin actually repairs itself. So even if in the morning time you're in a rush and if you can't follow a proper routine, do not skip on your night skincare routine. In just 2 or 3 days of proper night skincare regimen, you will start seeing a difference. And what did I exactly use last night? Well, let me just quickly tell you about the routine and also a little bit about the products which I used. So the first step was obviously washing my face, for which I was using the Mamaearth Vitamin C face wash. It contains vitamin C and turmeric, designed specifically for skin illumination. The product is paraben and SLS free, dermatologically tested and designed to suit all skin types. It has a very nice lemony fragrance which actually feels extremely refreshing on the skin and it also cleans the skin beautifully. Here's a quick thing I want to mention about vitamin C as an ingredient, guys. Vitamin C has so many benefits. First of all, it helps in brightening up your skin. It helps in dealing with pigmentation. It helps in dealing with uneven skin tone. Vitamin C is also something which has antioxidant properties. So even when you apply it tropically, it can help your skin repair itself, repair a lot of damage. It can help the skin heal itself. So you can totally imagine why using a vitamin C face wash should be good for you, especially at night. Of course, you can totally use it in the morning as well. There's a product which you use morning and night twice a day, but I'm just talking about night skincare routine here, so let me stress on that. That at night when your skin wants to actually repair itself, when it wants to heal itself, using vitamin C can be so beneficial. After the face wash, the next step was obviously using a toner, for which I was using the Mamaearth Vitamin C Face Toner. This contains vitamin C and cucumber and it is designed for pore tightening. The product is alcohol-free, dermatologically tested and again designed to suit all skin types. Now I have talked about this toner in the past. I've actually finished more than half the bottle here. I have been the first time I used it was in the month of January. If you might have noticed, I've talked about this in my other video and so many of you even came back and told me that you have used the vitamin C products. They have a vitamin C serum which I'll not be talking about today and this toner. A lot of you told me that the products have worked beautifully for you. So yeah, Mamaearth is definitely a brand which I love, which my viewers love and I love talking about it. So after using the toner, the next step is using the sleeping mask and this is when it gets really interesting. Okay, so let me show you this mask. This is a Mamaearth Vitamin C sleeping mask which contains vitamin C and aloe vera. The product is again paraben and silicone free, dermatologically tested and it contains bioactives. Now let me show you the mask up close. Do you see how it looks like? Now on camera you might think that this looks a little bit like gel, but honestly when you feel it, when you touch it, you will realize it's more like, I think, solid water. Not ice, but solid water. That is the best way I can describe it. I know this sounds confusing, but that is actually how this product is. It's very different, nothing like anything that I have used ever before. So let me just show you how it actually works when I apply it on my hands. Do you see? It just vanishes into the skin like that. It's not sticky, it's not gooey, it's not gel-like at all. It's actually very different. So when I first saw this product, my first thought was, okay, this is going to be very interesting to use. And I just applied it all over my face and as you can see, the skin just absorbed everything, instantly feeling hydrated, refreshed, plump, so much better. And here's the most interesting part, guys. After applying this mask, even though it is a mask, you don't actually wash it off immediately. This is a mask which you leave on for the whole night and wash it off in the morning. So I got a bit impatient when I woke up at about 5 o'clock in the morning. I just washed my face because I was so excited. Then I went back to sleep and like you just saw, this is how I woke up looking later. So this is a mask which I feel is something which is so great because you leave it on for the whole night and it's a very gentle mask. So even if you have sensitive skin, of course do a patch test, but I think people with sensitive skin can also use it. So if you apply something which will help your skin repairing itself, healing itself, brightening up at night, That is so great, right? Because when you wake up, your skin obviously feels a lot better. And here's one thing that I want to mention. If you are someone who doesn't like using sheet masks, because sheet masks of course can be very expensive, and I know a lot of people talk about the environmental damages of using sheet masks because there's so much of plastic waste happening. This can be such a great replacement, okay? This can be such a great replacement because it hydrates your skin, it plumps up your skin, it also helps in repairing your skin. And the best thing is that Mamaearth is also a plastic positive brand. So not only are you using less plastic by not using sheet mask but using this product, you're also encouraging a plastic positive brand which recycles more plastic than they use. So you're actually doing good for the environment. Also, keeping that aside, on a totally different note, guys, by the way, Mamaearth is also a PETA certified cruelty free brand. So yes, that's definitely a big plus, and the products are made in India. If you want to know more about these products, you can of course check all the links in the description box below. It's available on various e-commerce websites. However, on the Mamaearth website, you can check out these products and buy them at a 20% off using this 20% off code, which I'll also put in the description box below. And if you have any questions, if you have tried out any Mamaearth products in the past, please don't forget to let me know in the comment section below how your experience has been. Your comments really help me in understanding, guys, which brands to talk about, which brands to not talk about, what to share on my channel, because obviously if you guys are liking it, that is what makes it all the more worthwhile for me as well, right? So yes, keep those comments coming in, and thank you so much for watching, guys. Don't forget to hit like to this video, subscribe to this channel, turn on the bell icon for notifications, and keep coming back to Superpower Style for more. Thank you so much for watching. This is me, Prachi, signing off now.